This is my 2010 BMW S1000RR. MRA tall, light smoke windscreen, carbon fiber throughout the bike, carbon fiber rear fender, Galfer wave rotors, BST carbon fiber rims. We have a blue frame slider on this side and a red frame slider on the right, sort of keeping that theme of non-symmetrical styling going with the different color frame sliders. Carbon fiber frame protector, Louis Moto seat cover, leather Alcantara, blue and red stitching, HP adjustable breakaway levers, HP rear sets, HP carbon fiber foot peg. I'm sorry, that's not carbon fiber, but it is a HP foot peg. Carbon fiber rear fender. Akrapovic BMW slip-on exhaust that was converted to a full system using HMF headers and mid-pipe. Fantastic layout. Chose to go this route because the BMW Akrapovic slip-on is laser etched with their logo, and the one that you can purchase from Akrapovic has a sticker on it. Galfer rear brake rotor, LED turn signals, I went with the 520 chain and sprocket set, 17 sprocket in the front, 43 in the rear, gold race chain, Yoshimura crash protectors there, HID headlights, the digital slim ballasts for the low beam on that side, for the high beam over there. I think they look great, red in color. I have a Power Commander 5 installed on the bike with a switch here. The down position is for pump fuel. The up position is for race fuel. The bike produces 189 horsepower to the rear wheel on pump fuel and 195 horsepower on U4.4. 195 horsepower on U4.4. Let's hear how she sounds, huh?